morning, folks. The Old Fisherman. Hey, he's back with you again on Lake Monticello. Try to catch some white perch this morning. It's cold, in the 20s, mid-20s. Hey, we're going to drop down and see if we can catch a white perch today. On Lake Monticello, we all buckle up. Let me tell you, it's cold. Hey, but the sun's shining and the wind's not really bad. So we are back out here today trying to catch some more of these doggone white perch. Again, hopefully we catch a largemouth, and there's old Looney done showed up. I was hoping he didn't show up, but he's here. We'll drop it to the bottom and work it in, see if we can catch one. What we're gonna do, see if we can get one. On Lake Monticello. Beautiful morning to be alive. Cold though. Hey, it's cold. Got some real bad weather coming in. Got snow coming in they're talking about. For the weekend, that was a little bump right there. For the weekend, hey, back at it again, and there's a bite already. Ah, there's a bite already. And I mean a jumbo supreme too, buddy. What? A jumbo supreme. Got him on the Big Daddy jig. The Big Daddy spade tail. We got a spade tail and a swimming jig on at the same time. Tadpole swimming. And both of them the same color. They that a red bug looking color. A June bug with a little, it's red bug looking with a couple blue specks in it. And that's what we're using this morning. We're in 38 foot of water right here. Trying to get something going. On Lake Monticello, loving life. Hey, you got to love catching white perch on the ultralight. It's fun now. It's fun. Up there he is. He thumped it. He thumped it. What I mean, he thumped it. Nice one too. Hey, maybe we got in some nice ones here today. Got him on a spade tail. They seem to be hitting the spade tail better. Hey. We'll put it to the bottom, see if we catch another one. Thanks to all my fans making all the orders. Hey, I got to go by the post office on the way home today. Appreciate it. And thanks to my buddy Brett Thompson. He sent me some hand warmers and I've been using them. I got them in my pocket. Hey, they're pretty nice. Keep your hands a little warmer in this cold weather. Thanks, Brett, for the hand warmers. Old Fisherman's got them in the boat. Hey, we loving life. Got some great fans out there. Appreciate each and every one of you for watching the Old Fisherman videos. Miss Deborah's got a sewing machine table last night, and now she's getting a sewing machine. That gal's getting all kind of presents. New room, new floor. Hey, she's happy as she can be. She out to spend a little money. Let me tell you, that gal love to spend some money. Hey, it makes her happy. And when she's happy, the Old Fisherman's happy, I promise you. Put it to the bottom with a big bar of lie. Hey, we're catching a couple this morning here on Lake Monticello. I got some dedicated fans out there watching me every night. Man, I appreciate all of you. And I try to get back to your comments. Sometimes I don't do real good, but I try to get back to them. I got somebody wants to know how my, oh Lord, they bite me. Headache, they bite. How I do my bracket for my cell phone. Ain't a thing but a piece of 1/2-inch EMT fastened to the boat up and down with some straps. And I got an old goldfish net, and I got a selfie stick taped to it, and I slide it down in that conduit each time I go to video, and it's sitting up there probably about 8 foot tall, kind of shining on me, and that's all I do. And I got this other one up here shines my fish finder. It's mounted to the floor on a selfie stick, and that's all I do. It's nothing elaborate. It's a makeshift do kind of thing. And hey, we loving life, videoing. And old Looney's out here swimming up under the boat. He'll probably run my fish off. As long as I don't hook him. I hate hooking Looney. You hook Looney, you might as well just go and break off. You ain't gonna get him in. If you do get him in, you better have some big line on your rod. I ain't gonna get him in with no ultralight, I can tell you that. That joker can pull like a 25-pound bass. That loney can. I got fish under me. There's fish down there. They just don't bite anything. I started off with a 3-rig and didn't get a bite. Put the dog on a little double rig here with my little finesse rig on and started catching a few. Hey, and we got a nice one right there. We got a good one right there. I don't know what we got, but we got a good one. It might be a largemouth. I don't know if it's a largemouth or a catfish, but it's a good one. I can assure you that. It's a good one. Unless I got him snag hook. I think it's a big largemouth. I think it's a big large. I don't know what I got. Might have something snagged. Dead weight, got something snagged. He ain't pulling right. Got something snagged. Some in the belly, I'm guessing. Oh no, it's a catfish. It's a catfish. That sucker swimming up. He's swimming up. Doggone big old catfish. Oh, about 4-pounder anyhow. Hey, he'll buy a 4-pounder. What? Look at him going. Huh? Look at him, Loney. That thing gonna eat you. You better get out the way. Loney, you can't have this one. Look at that. Look at that white old cat. Oh, we got her. That's all right. Quick release. I didn't want him no how. Big old blue. Y'all seen him, I'm pretty sure. Had him on the swim jig. Hit that doggone swim jig. I tore it up too. He hit the swim jig. Big old nice cat. Y'all seen him? I was gonna throw him back anyhow, so I didn't have to. Hey, I like that quick release. I like that quick release. Hey, you got to love that. A little action here this morning on Lake Monticello. The Old Fisherman, Thursday morning, and it's bad weather coming. I started to go to Lake Murray, but instead of making a left turn, I made a right turn. And here I am on Lake Monticello. I started to go to Lake Murray and come to Lake Monticello instead. What I'm trying to say. Uh-oh. No bite. No bite. Drop it to the bottom where the big boys lie. Hey, we ain't even beat the boat when we catch them. Y'all see that? Huh? What? We ain't even beat the boat when we catch him. That ain't a whopper, but he's a nice one. After I had that big old catfish, they all feel small. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that one. Ain't nothing wrong with that one. Loney, go on. Loney's aggravating me to death already. Go on, Loney. Well, it's almost Christmas. Listen, I love Christmas, but I don't love Christmas. Man, I don't know what to buy, never. Miss Deborah done bought all she needs. Got a new sewing machine coming, got a table last night. My son Clay come over, thanks to him, helped me put it together. I got where I can't get on the floor and do all that work. So my son Clay come and helped put my Miss Deborah's table together last night, thanks to him. When she gets it all set up, I might give y'all a view of Miss Deborah's sewing, a craft room, she calls it. Now she's saying it ain't big enough. I said, I ain't building a bigger room. That room wasn't nothing originally but an office for a computer. It's just an office, little office room. Yeah, but you can't put so much stuff in a 7x8 room. She got it crammed. Uh-oh, what happened to my fish? Hey, let's beat the boat, see if we stir something up. Let's beat the boat. Loney, what happened to my fish? You run them off, what happened? You daggone bird. I swear, these loons over here pester you to death. I really believe that's why I can't catch but a few fish. Especially in 38 foot of water, they go swimming down under the boat and they scare my fish off. That's what they're doing. There ain't no doubt in my mind that's what they're doing. Good morning, folks. Hey, the Old Fisherman back with you again, Lake Murray today. Excuse me, Lake Murray. And overcast, it's cold. Bad weather's coming in. We're gonna see if we can catch us some fish today. On Lake Murray, we're using cut bait and Big Daddy crappie jigs. What we're gonna use. Drop the cut bait out and and a jig. We're gonna beat the boat. See what happens. See See if we can stir something up here on Lake Murray. See if we can get a bite. Glad y'all could be with the Old Fisherman on another episode. Loving life, freezing. It's cold. Overcast, no sunshine, and the wind's kind of blowing, and it's cold. Perfect day to catch these fish. There was a bite already. Hey, there was a bite already on the jig. Perfect day to catch these fish. See if we can get one of them. There he is. There he is. Oh my, there he is. And there's one on the cut bait also. One's hitting the cut bait. There he is. Got one hanging down on the cut bait. I missed him. Hey, Big Daddy crappie jigs, spade tail, and the red bug looking color, and shorts. Got one bumping my cut bait, but he ain't act like he wanted to take it. He's playing with it. He's playing with it. See if we can get him to bite it. There he is. There he is. Cut bait. Oh my, cut bait. Who got to love that? Old cut bait. Come in here, boy. Hey, it ain't that big though. They ain't waffles there. But hey. Oh Lord. Come in here, boy. They're eatable. Pull it back out. Cut bait. Whoops. Let it to the bottom. See if we can get one on that jig while it's going down. See if we can get one on the jig. Up there he was. He bumped it. We own a lot of fish. I don't know what size they are, but we own a lot of fish. Plenty of them in here. Plenty of them. I see them all over the bottom. Just get them to bite, to take it. I think they're little. Hey, it ought to be some big ones around here somewhere. They biting it. They ain't taking it. They ain't taking it. That cut bait out there. Oh, we got one on the cut bait. Got one on the cut bait. Oh my, got one on the cut bait. Bring him in. Got one on the cut bait. A little bit better. Not a whopper, but a little bit better. Come off with that, boy. My goodness, come off with that. We ain't got time to be playing with no cut bait. Let's chunk it out and see if we get another to bite. See if we get one on the crappie jig. See if we get one on the crappie jig. Drop it to the bottom where the big boys lie. Uh-oh. There he is. There he is. There he is. They ain't the super magnums though, they're smaller size, but hey, it is what it is at this point. Got him on the galaxy color. Drop it to the bottom. Get a nothing. Maybe the old big one's moving. I know some big ones around here somewhere. I know it is. Hey, the little ones are here. I'll tell you that, look at that. The little ones are here. No doubt. The little ones are eating it up. They eating it up. What? They eating it up. But they ain't big. Small size. Hey, we got one taking the doggone crappie jig. One knocking the crappie jig while it's going down. Hopefully 4 days old we get on some of them pound perch. That's what we're looking for, a pound perch. Good fillet size. Hey, let's beat the boat. Stir them up. Stir them up. Hey, oh, he bumped it. He bumped it. He bumped it. I didn't buy any minnows. I figured we can catch all we need on the cut bait and the crappie jig. What I figured. Cut bait and crappie jig. There he is. There he is. And I'm proving that. A little bit better, but not much. He's small. Hey, they're kind of small. Good eating size though. Kind of small. Kind of small. Beat the boat, stir them up. Working these babies. Working them. Went to Monticello yesterday. Had a bad day at Monticello. My goodness, they shut down over there. I don't know what happened to them last couple of days over there. I figured I better come back to Lake Murray, catch more fish in Lake Murray right now. Monticello, I don't know, pressure, too much pressure in that little lake maybe. Just too many people fishing. And I can get back over here where I can get some fresh fish. Fish that ain't fished to death. These in Lake Murray ain't fished to death. We're getting bites on that cut bait. There you. There you. Hey, they hitting this Big Daddy jig now. They hitting this Big Daddy jig. They nailing it. They just ain't whoppers. Hey, a little bit better. A little bit better. Oh, doggone, it took the tail off. They eat the tails off of Big Daddies pretty regular. Got one on the cut bait. Uh-oh. Hey, got 100 of the tail. Glad I got a bunch of them. I'm experimenting with different colors. Right here's a blue and black. Let's try it. I haven't tried it yet. Kind of a blue and black. See what happens with that. Give it a try. Experiment with these jigs. They'll definitely hit them. I ain't no doubt about that. We'll definitely hit them. They ain't, I don't know if he took my cut bait off or not. It feels kind of light. Might have lost my cut bait. Oh, there he goes. I ain't took it yet. I got a fish on it. Took it now. Hey, I took it now. What? They just ain't big. They're the same size I was catching up the lake the other day. Little. What do you think of that? I know they're in here somewhere. They got to be biting too. Hey, he bumped it. Hey, let's put out the cut bait too, so we can catch one on cut bait. It's done dried up here. Put the cut bait out. We got some under there. Let's see if we can catch him. Hey, yeah, he nailed it. He nailed it. He nailed it. Medium-sized perch. Uh-oh, spitting up shad. That's a good sign. Look at that. Shad and little mussels coming out the belly. Drop it to the bottom, see if we can get another. Got that cut bait going now. Hey, we got some under us now. We got some under us now. Old Fisherman, loving life. That cut bait on it, pull it up. Already got one. Look at that. Already got one. What? Oh my, already got one. Cut bait. Come in here, boy. Lake Murray. Uh-oh, got our other line too. We got our other line too. Somehow or another, we got our other line. But we gonna get it out right quick like. Cast it back out and see if we can get another on Lake Murray. Loving life. Drop it to the bottom where the big boys lie. Beat the boat. I hope some of the big perch move in here. Hey, there was a bite. There was a bite. There was a bite. All right, let's get another. Hey, oh Lord, he nailed it. I missed it. cut bait on the bottom out there. Got to get it up some. There he goes, cut bait. Cut bait. Oh my, cut bait. Starting to bite now. That's a nice one there. Hey, starting to bite now. Chuck it back out, see if we can get another. Alright, try to jig. Uh-oh, no bite. What happened? Beat the boat. Beat the boat. They coming and going. They won't stay there. There he is. There he is. There he is. Big Daddy. Big Daddy got him one. Oh, Big Daddy. Big Daddy got him one. Come on in here, Big Daddy. That's a jumbo. Uh-oh. Took my jig off the top. Just stole my jig. I got the head, but I ain't got the rubber. Then I sucked it, slam off. We got to get another. We got to get another. Got to get another one. Come on, jig, where you at? There they are. There they are. Sun's starting to pop out a little bit. They might start biting better. They might start biting better. Put it back down. All right. Come here, jig. Can't believe he took jig slam off the hook, but he did. Hands are so doggone cold I can't hardly put him on the hook. All right. Drop it down. See if we get another. Get that cut bait down at the right spot. Probably get one on it. Right there's the bottom and pull it up. All we got to do, I hope, beat the boat, stir them up. Sun's popping out. Might warm things up. I don't see the fish like I did though, they left me. Tell you what, you catch a couple and they leave. They don't hang around. They ain't hanging around. Maybe they'll come back. Oh, didn't get a bite that time. Had to beat the boat. They left. While I was messing around with that jig, they're gone. Not a bite. They were there. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Oh, missed him. I missed him. Oh, one bit, there's one. They're biting it. They're biting it. Now they're coming back. They're coming back. There you go. Got him that time. We got him that time. We got him that time. What? We got him that time. Nice one too. Yes, sir. Medium size. Hey, medium size. Chunk it back out. Chunk it back out to the bottom with a big boy's line. Get one on a jig now while that's going down. All right. Nope. Nope. One bumped it. One bumped it. Sun's getting bright now. Come on, boys, don't quit now. Oh, there was a bite. There was a bite. Nothing. That doggone jig down there, right? Get the cut bait down there, right? All right, there's the cut bait down there, right? Let's get the jig going. I don't see them like I did. I got one bump in the cut bait though. Got one bump in the cut bait. Stir the boat. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Lake Murray perch. Hook him back out. Chunk her back out. All right, there's the bottom, and pull it up a little bit. See what happens. There he goes. They're hitting that cut bait. They're hitting that cut bait. They are hitting that cut bait. They're just an average size though. They're not big. They're not big. Got a boat coming up to us, one of my buddies. He's probably gonna want to talk, so I might have to cut the film.